Yo, what's up? It's here right here. This is the white Suzuki, which has a 1.8, and we're gonna be swapping to a 2.3 engine from a Suzuki Aero that we found was already being taken apart. Has like 120,000 miles on it, I'm pretty sure. I saw all this from a YouTuber named Matt Verley. If I'm spelling it correctly, I hope I am. I'm gonna follow his steps. It seems pretty easy, and let's hope for the best. This is episode 1. We found on Craigslist the donor, which was being taken apart at this junkyard. By the way, this whole street is filled with junkyards. It's amazing. And if you live in Dallas, you check it out. Anyway, we just got 2 over here. They already had it taken out. The next step was to strap it real cool onto this trailer, you know, before it just came down into the highway, dripping oil, hit a car, hit another car, and there was a big wreck. And you already know what, you know, like the trailer flipped and whatever, you know, all kind of bad scenarios. But no, we got it securely very well and started heading home. Nothing was rattling, everything was great. Better safe than sorry. That's what I told my dad. So we put this little string, this little cord, this little blue and black cord, you know, extra protection before you get on the highway. Why not? Chipotle to go, engine back at home, and please stay tuned for the next episodes coming up. So I see both of them, white, red. They're both babies, right here. They're both 98 SIdekick Sport. That one has already like 100,000 miles on it. This one got like 300,000 miles on it. That's where we're gonna swap it for another engine, and it should be pretty easy. Bolt on. It's the same engine, just bigger, better, and let's do it.